Swadika, hi everyone, it's Kuna here. I was here last year and I went in there, did a live show. I couldn't go inside, and this time I bought a new drone. Well, I had a drone before, but I lost it, crashed it. But I came back here with the drone. Hopefully, I can find to go and see inside. Hope just a little bit to see inside. And it's beautiful countryside here, beautiful view. I'm in Blaeu, if you don't know, Blaeu, Scotland. Thanks very much for watching my video. And ขอบคุณมากนะคะที่เข้ามาชม and thanks everyone for your kindness, for your time, and for your love, for your support. I really appreciate it. I love you, and I hope to see you soon. See you up there. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ ขึ้นเป็นไฟล์โดรนค่ะ ขอบคุณมากนะคะ สวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone, it's Kuna here. This is the Baltersan Castle. Apologize for the quality of the video. I was at the Baltersan Castle, which is not far from here, so I popped in to see this castle. So on the way home. And last time I was here, I did live this summer, and I heard it on sale for £150,000. Just come here to see any update, and I read from the website looking for update. I haven't seen anything. Anyone know what happened? Please comment. I'd like to know if the castle go ahead, someone buy it to restoration, build something. I think it's perfect, place to build something. It's next to the main road, bigger garden, and on away from other people, and quite command a beautiful view here with 3 stories up, and could be do 4 with attic as well. I love it, and I thinking in the summer it's beautiful around here in Blaeu. I love to see this castle being doing up, and I'm hoping it will happen soon. And I hope you guys are doing well and safe with the pandemic. Thank you very much for watching everyone. I really appreciate it. And ขอบคุณทุกท่านที่เข้ามาดูค่ะ เคยมาครั้งหนึ่งได้ค่ะประสานให้เขาขายค่ะแต่ยังไม่มีคนซื้อก็เลยมาดูว่าจะมีอะไรมีคนซื้อหรือยังค่ะขอบคุณทุกท่านนะคะจะแปลเป็นภาษาไทยให้อ่านค่ะ Everyone, thank you very much for watching. I put a little bit of inscription about information about the castle we earned by Kennedy family, early 16th century built and still beautiful. Now new order owned by James Brown, who hoping to do restoration, and good luck, and I hope it happen. Thank you for watching. ขอบคุณมากนะคะสวัสดีค่ะ Bye everyone. I will check back with the update with the castle later on. I hope that's okay. Thank you. Bye everyone.